This is my $20,000 a month content system. I'm going to show you how I did it with very few followers and how you can replicate this and do this for yourself, all right? But first, some income proof. So I can show you right here, I did about $142,000 with this particular program, selling somebody else's stuff using content, right? Here is another one. You can see 455,000 selling somebody else's stuff. And this is me getting an award in the mail for making $1 million in sales all through my content system, all with a very, very small following. All right, so how did I do this? I'm going to break it all down for you right now. So there are 4 pieces to this puzzle, right? And a lot of people won't show you this, but I'm just going to flat out show you this, right? So the first thing is you need to pick your niche, then you need to pick the right product, then you need to have the right funnel, and then you have to fill that funnel with traffic and leads, right? This is the 4-step process, okay? And once you build this up, you would really just focus on the traffic and leads and fill that funnel so that it kind of moves backwards, if that makes sense. But the first thing that you have to do is you have to pick a niche, right? And the way that you do that is there are many, many niches out there: health, wealth, relationships, business. Those are the big ones. But you can also sell in outdoor, pets, software as a service, sport. I mean, there's so many niches out there. Literally, you can make money with pretty much any niche if you do this exact process like I teach you right here, okay? Now, once you pick your niche, the next thing you need to pick a product. This is the part that a lot of people get wrong, is that most people will pick physical products, right? Because physical products are the obvious thing to sell if you think about it, right? Everything is physical. Everything that you see on this channel right here, right, is physical. My mic, my clothes, the shelves in the back and all that stuff. But the reality is that you don't need to sell physical stuff, and you shouldn't, because of these reasons, right? First of all, physical stuff have very, very low profit margins, all right? Because it's manufactured in a factory, there's a lot of cost, salaries, things like that. They have to be delivered to you. There's war going on, price of oil is going up, all that kind of stuff, right? So the profit margins are super small, which means that you have to make a lot of sales in order to make an okay amount of money, right? And because everybody sells physical stuff, it's extremely competitive. You have to find the latest, greatest fidget spinner thing, which is very, very difficult. You have to do a lot of testing. It's very, very expensive. And because a physical item, you know, people know the cost of an item. If you're selling, for example, a t-shirt, right? If you don't build a brand around it, you can't sell a t-shirt for $1,000 or $5,000, okay? Because people know the value of that physical item. So it's hard to add additional value to it, which is why it kind of eats into the profits. It comes back down to the low profit margins, right? And because of that, it becomes a volume game. So I don't sell physical products. And this is one of my, key secrets, is that I like to sell digital stuff, okay? Now, what is a digital product? A digital product is basically anything that can be consumed online. So that means that it's not manufactured in a factory, it's created online. Anything that can be accessed on the computer, let's just say, a piece of software or a video training course, a mentorship, a website, a video training, is all considered digital, okay? And the thing I like about it is high profit margins, first of all, because again, the manufacturing cost is very low. You produce it one time. After that, everything's pure profit, right? You just send someone a login and they get access to that product, okay? So, you can charge people $1,000 and the profit margins are 90%. Okay, after you've completed the first creation. That's why it's so cool. It doesn't have to keep getting manufactured with items and with resources and things like that, right? It's less competitive because not as many people know about digital products, but the digital product industry is huge. It's more than $20 billion, and a lot of people don't know this, right? Easy to add value, because when you're teaching someone how to change something that they have a huge problem with, right? Like learning how to stop smoking, learning how to make more money, learning how to get their wife back, anything like that, learning how to lose 50 pounds. People are willing to pay a lot of money because the value, the intrinsic value, is so high. It's not like a physical item, right? And because the profit margins are so high, you don't need to sell tens of thousands of units to make $10 to $20 to $30,000 a month. You can literally just get a high price product, $500 to $1,000. You sell 20 to 30 of those per month, and you're already hitting $20,000 a month. So it's much, much more realistic, okay? So that's the product. Make sure you go with a digital product. The next thing that we need to focus on is we need to focus on the funnel, all right? So the funnel is basically what you would send people through. You don't send people straight to your link, okay? A lot of people make this mistake. Don't do that, because people aren't going to buy. What you have to do is you have to send them through a process, all right, to build a relationship with them. So the first thing you would send them to is called a capture page or a landing page. You send them there and you offer them some value, and in exchange, you want their email address so that you can follow up with them in the future. Okay, we don't want to just send them to a website because they're going to bounce off and they'll never come back. So we want to capture their email address and follow up with them automatically. Now, the main problem that people do, and a lot of people teach, is they then, after you capture their email, you send them to some sort of sales funnel where it just sells the offer. It sells it with a VSL, a video sales letter, okay? And we don't want to do that because everybody's doing that, right? So what does that do? Well, first of all, it adds no value. You're just sending someone to a video sales letter. They see the offer, they see the testimonials, and they don't buy. And then you send them another email that just sells them over and over and over again. If you keep beating somebody over the head with something that they don't want to buy, are they going to buy? Of course they're not going to buy, right? Because it just sells and sells and sells and sells, and people are sick of that, right? But 90% of people do this, and that's why 90% of people fail, and that's why they stay broke. Instead, what you want to do is you want to build trust first, okay? And the way that you do that is by, first of all, teaching someone how to do the thing. You train them on how to get that particular result. So for example, based on your niche, let's just say you're teaching people how to train their puppy to be really good, to stop peeing on the bed, on the floor, to walk properly. You literally teach them in your sales funnel how to do that thing. All right. So don't think about the sale. You want to think about how to solve your audience's problems first. So really just train them, teach them. Give testimonials inside the sales funnel, right? Solve your audience's problems first and think of the sale last. I know that sounds counterintuitive, but you have to build trust before you can ask for the sale, okay? And this is how you get rich. This is how all of my funnels work. It's all built around giving value first and then asking for the sales later. Think about this, right? You're watching my video right now. What am I doing? I'm adding value to you. I'm not even asking for a sale. I'm literally teaching you this stuff for free. Stuff that took me hundreds of thousands of dollars to learn and more than 8 years of slamming my head against the wall. Why? Because I'm trying to build a relationship with you, okay? So you're watching this in action as I'm doing it as part of, this entire process, all right? So once you've built that funnel that builds trust, okay, it trains, it teaches, it gives testimonials, it solves your audience's problems. The next thing you want to do is you want to fill that funnel with lots of traffic and leads, okay? Lots of eyeballs so that people can go through the process. Now, here's the big problem, right? A lot of other people will teach you to just go and buy other people's leads, buy other people's traffic. What does that mean? That means that they will send you to some sort of solo or traffic vendor, right? Somebody that has already got a big list, a bunch of emails, and they'll say, hey, give me $1,000. I'm going to give you 500 clicks. I'm going to give you 1,000 clicks. Now, you don't want to do that because it's super low quality, right? Think about the traffic vendor. They're literally selling, batches of their leads every single day to a whole bunch of people, whoever wants to buy. So it's super low quality because a lot of people have already bought it, right? And because of that, they are highly disengaged. These leads don't care about you, all right? They don't know who you are. Literally, you just bought a batch. You start sending emails to them. You send your offer to them, but they have no idea who you are and they don't care. And because of that, they will click on your stuff. They might even opt in to your capture page right here. They might, give you, become an email lead, but they won't buy, okay? They won't buy and you're not going to get into profit. So what you need to do instead of relying on other people's traffic, you need to generate your own traffic. You need to become a practitioner of marketing. That means you have to learn how to actually get your own leads. And it's not that difficult. You just have to know where to go. So I like social media. Social media is free. Okay, if you think about Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, LinkedIn, these are all free platforms that you can learn to master and get lots and lots of eyeballs on your stuff, okay? So because you're generating your own content, people are seeing you, right, for the first time, you're offering value, like exactly what I'm doing right now, it's super high quality because it's not some pool that has been reused over and over and over again. It's literally fresh people. They're seeing your stuff, they connect with you, they like you, they get to know who you are. And then if they're interested, they will opt in to your capture page, become a lead, and go through your process, right? So the more content you create, the more views you're going to get, the more views you get, the more leads you get, the more leads you get, the more sales you get because they're coming through this process. Now, none of this has anything to do with your follower count. Think about it, right? The entire process that I've been bringing you through right now, we're not even talking about followers. We don't really care about the number of people that follow us on our channels. We care more about this. We want views on our videos. We want to get leads from those views and we want to get sales from it. That's it. We don't care about how many followers we have. Now, because you're generating so much content and views anyway, people are just going to naturally follow you, okay? So that will build up over time. But the number of followers has nothing to do with how much money that you're going to make. Sure, there are people out there that have 5 million followers and they do brand deals and stuff like that, but we're not influencers. We're not trying to do that, okay? This content strategy is all about learning to become a marketer. Okay, bringing people through a process, creating a sales funnel, helping people solve a problem, and doing that by generating leads and traffic. And when you do that, people are going to buy. Okay, this is how I generated the income that I showed you earlier, right? Millions of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars. You know I say that this is a $20,000 per month content system, but honestly, we're being conservative right here. This is way more than that, okay? So what do you need, okay? So what you need is you need to get attention by generating traffic and leads through everything that I showed you earlier. The next thing you need to do is you need to build a funnel that builds trust, okay? Don't just sell them. Don't send them to a video sales letter. Build a funnel that teaches, trains, adds value first, okay? Then you need a digital product that's good, not a physical product. And then, of course, you need to have the niche that you decide to be in. And it doesn't really matter what niche at all right? Now, if you put all of these things together, this is how you can generate your first $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $100,000 a month. Okay, this is a free content system that you can use, and it took me a long time, years to master this. So I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section what you thought. Okay, subscribe to the channel, because if you don't subscribe to the channel, you're not going to be able to see my content, and you know, this is just going to go on the wayside, and this is not going to change your life, right? So if you want to change your life, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you want to learn how to put this whole content system together in detail, I literally show you how to do this in a free masterclass. You can see the link right below inside the comment section. Good luck to you. I can't wait for your success, and I will see you on the next video.